Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool 3-slot payphone, and this is a 233G, and this payphone is Richard's from California. And so this telephone has a few issues. This is the initial checkout. We're going to be converting this telephone, and Richard has his vault lock key and lock, so that's a good thing. We do need to get a lock and a key for the body. The body has a lock, but it doesn't have a key, and it's been taken apart, I believe, and so I don't think it's going to be rekeyable. So now we also want to go through the rotary. We want to make sure that that's cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. He does have his coin validator, so we'll be making sure that the money will drop down through the coin validator and then into the cash box. That's another cool situation. Richard has his coin box, and that's a plus. A lot of times these phones will not have their coin box. Now we want to install our bell in this area. We also want to install a modular port so that Richard can simply walk up to this telephone and plug it in, and it will be for an easy connection, a plug-and-play connection, and he can use any size line cord, any color that he chooses. Another situation that we need to repair is the handset. On these payphones, the receiver capsule and the transmitter capsule are glued on, and this one is all cracked up. Somebody probably either hit the telephone real hard, or they actually tried to remove it, and it's broken up. We'll take a short break. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone. We're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went through the rotary, oiled, cleaned, and adjusted it. We talked about earlier replacing the handset, but the handset's actually in good condition. The only thing that was broken was a receiver cap, and so that was replaced. And we had our sticker that was on this handset, and that came in with a telephone, and it says, "Wait, read instructions before calling." We kind of wanted to save that. And the handset's in decent shape, so there's really no sense in replacing the whole handset. We went ahead and located a body lock and key. Richard had his vault lock and key, so that was a good thing. We went ahead and went in and rewired everything on the network and made sure all the connections were proper and it was wired the way we wanted it wired. We installed a modular port in the back of the telephone so that Richard can simply walk up to it and plug any line cord, any length, any color into this telephone, and we'll give a still picture of that. We also installed a bell in this unit and went through the hook switch and the coin validator. We made sure all the money was dropping down into the cash box, into the vault area. So we'll go ahead and put some coins in this unit. Now the quarters will gong once. Dimes will ring the bell twice. Nickels will ring the bell once. We'll do another quarter. We'll do a dime. And we'll do a nickel. Now we'll go ahead and pull our cash box out. And we have our coins in our cash box. So now what we want to do is, before we can put the cash box back in, we have to reset the latch. And so you want to turn it clockwise, and then you can put it back onto the cash box and then set it into the telephone. Now what we want to do is start our final check. So we'll go ahead and ring the telephone. I'm going to let that go one more time. Give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, we're going to walk through our numbers. You'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch the red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It has receive, transmit, and it's dialing out. We have a button here on the switch box we can push, and when we push that button, that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. We'll call it time and temp number. Give you some dial tone.
Good evening. Shop online anytime at Offenberg.com. Today is Monday, December 9th. The time is 11:12. Current temperature 30 degrees. Around an inch of snow tonight, lows around 15. Mostly sunny Tuesday, a high in the low 30s.
Okay, we can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Richard and he can start enjoying his telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.